Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to our Arabic Madarsa channel. My dear students, today we are studying the second lesson from the beautiful book Qasas Nabiyyin, stories of the prophets. So let's start our second lesson, Waladu Aazara. Waladun, which means son. Waladu Aazara, Aazar's son. Wakana Aazaru lahu waladun rashidun jidda. Rashidun, which means wise, and waladun, you already know the meaning of this word. Waladun rashidun, wise son. Wakana Aazaru lahu waladun rashidun. Aazar had a wise son. Rashidun jidda, very wise son. Wakana ismu hadha al-waladi Ibrahimu. And the name of the boy was Ibrahim. Okay, next. وكان إبراهيم يرى الناس يسجدون للأصنام. را يرى, which means to see. Okay, وكان إبراهيم يرى الناس. Nas, which means people. يسجدون, sajada يسجد, which means to bow down or to prostrate. للأصنام, asnam, you already know the meaning of this word. Actually this is a plural word and its singular form is sanamun, which means idol. So وكان إبراهيم يرى الناس يسجدون للأصنام. Ibrahim used to see people bowing to idols. ويرى الناس يعبدون الأصنام. Abada ya'budu, which means to worship. And he used to see worshipping idols, people worshipping idols. ويرى الناس, and he used to see يعبدون الأصنام. الناس يعبدون الأصنام, people worshipping to idols. Okay, next. وكان إبراهيم يعرف أن الأصنام حجارة. عرف يعرف, which means to know. Al-Asnam, idols. Hijaratun, which means stone. Okay, وكان إبراهيم يعرف. Ibrahim alayhi salam used to know, or Ibrahim alayhi salam knew, أن الأصنام حجارة, that idols are stones. That idols are stones, are stone or stones. Okay, وكان يعرف أن الأصنام لا تتكلم ولا تسمع. تكلم يتكلم, which means to speak, or سمع يسمع, which means to hear. عرف يعرف, to know. وكان يعرف أن الأصنام لا تتكلم ولا تسمع. And he knew that idols, أن الأصنام, that idols, لا تتكلم, could not speak, ولا تسمع, and could not hear. وكان يعرف أن الأصنام لا تضر ولا تنفع. And he knew that idols لا تضر ولا تنفع. نفع ينفع, which means to benefit. Okay, so the idols could not لا تضر, harm, ولا تنفع, and could not benefit. Next. وكان يرى أن الذباب يجلس على الأصنام فلا تدفع. ذباب, which means flies in Arabic. Okay, and دفع يدفع, which means to drive away. وكان يرى, and he used to see, أن الذباب, the flies, يجلس على الأصنام, sitting on the idols, فلا تدفع, but the idols could not drive them away. It means the idols have no ability to drive them away. Okay, next. وكان يرى الفار يأكل طعام الأصنام فلا تمنعوا. Ra yara, to see. Al-far in Arabic, al-far means red. Okay, al-far which means red. And tu'amul asnam, tu'am which means food, tu'amul asnam, the food of the idols. فَلَا تَمْنَوْا مَنَأَ يَمْنَوْا, which means to stop. وَكَانَ يَرَى, and he saw or he used to see al-fara يَأْكُلُ طُعَامَ الْأَصْنَامِ, the rat eating the food of the idols. فَلَا تَمْنَوْا, but the idols could not stop it. Allahu Akbar. Okay, وَكَانَ إِبْرَاهِيمُ يَقُولُ فِي نَفْسِهِ, وَكَانَ إِبْرَاهِيمُ يَقُولُ فِي نَفْسِهِ. قَالَ يَقُولُ, which means to say. قَالَ يَقُولُ, which means to say. وَكَانَ إِبْرَاهِيمُ يَقُولُ فِي نَفْسِهِ, Ibrahim alayhi salam said to himself, في نفسه, to himself. لِمَاذَا يَسْجُدُ النَّاسُ لِلْأَصْنَامِ, لِمَاذَا, which means why. Limada, which means why. Sajada yasjudu, to prostrate or to bow down. An-nas, people. Limada yasjudu an-nasu lil asnami, why do people bow down before idols? وَكَانَ إِبْرَاهِيمُ يَسْأَلُ نَفْسَهُ لِمَاذَا يَسْأَلُ النَّاسُ الْأَصْنَامَ. Sala yasalu, which means to ask. Okay, nafsah, himself. وَكَانَ إِبْرَاهِيمُ يَسْأَلُ نَفْسَهُ, and Ibrahim alayhi salam asked himself. لِمَاذَا, why. لِمَاذَا يَسْأَلُ النَّاسُ الْأَصْنَامَ, why do people ask the idols? Okay, that is the end of today's lesson. I hope you understood the lesson easily and learned some new Arabic words. See you in the next lesson, inshallah. Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakumullah khair.